Singapore's job market grew faster than expected with the rebound in the construction and manufacturing sectors. Such jobs were filled by non-residents, mostly on work permits. Resident employment dipped slightly due to seasonal declines in segments like retail and support services. But some observers say these sectors will bounce back with the upcoming Singapore Grand Prix and year-end activities. Now, the Manpower Ministry says Singapore needs to continue attracting foreign investment to boost employment growth. Such foreign-owned companies have been hiring a third of the resident workforce.
Our challenge ahead is how we can continue to sustain a vibrant, a dynamic economy that continues to create good opportunities for Singaporeans as our population ages and as our local workforce continues to shrink. So one key strategy is to continue to remain open to global talent and foreign investments that complement our local resident workforce.
Industry observers say companies are still cautiously hiring as they navigate the challenging global economic climate. They say the real estate, insurance, logistics and transport sectors will help boost Singapore's job market in the months ahead. And that's because of rising demand for such services. But it also comes as Singapore's resident employment declines. Nadirah Zaidi with more.
Swiss cybersecurity firm Acronis is investing in their employees instead of hiring new workers. This is to prepare them for new or bigger roles. 30 of its 178 staff have undergone upskilling programs.
It's very expensive for us to hire people from the market and spend a lot of time and efforts onboarding them every time. So it's much better for us just to upskill existing employees and let them work in a new role, which is good for them and good for the company.
As businesses expand their services and explore new opportunities, job redesigning is a common theme.
A lot of the companies that I work with are actually focusing on job redesigning, and as well as restructuring to really largely consolidate or streamline a lot of the roles they have internally, doing more, but with just one person doing like maybe 1.5 times of the work as per before.
Recent business restructuring has caused more layoffs in the financial and insurance services and wholesale trade sectors. But companies in these industries are hopeful that business will pick up in the second half of the year as fears of recession ease and external demand stay strong. The construction and manufacturing sectors have picked up pace from the first quarter this year, and they've been hiring foreign workers, which boosted employment growth. But the number of S-Pass and employment pass holders have also declined. Observers say companies are adapting to the changes to the qualifying salaries for both passes and focusing on hiring locally.
There has been a very mindful approach to really decrease the number of foreign work passes. So especially within the services industry, which a lot of my clients are from, the employees are actually trying to raise the basic salaries to meet the Singaporeans' expectations.
Manpower Ministry expects resident job growth to slow as Singapore has a high number of people in the workforce. Singapore's aging population could also impact future job growth.